Hello everyone! Welcome back to Healthy Friends channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: how to combat nerve pain naturally using plant-based foods. If you or someone you know is dealing with nerve pain, stick around because we've got some valuable insights for you. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our helpful content. Nerve pain can be challenging to manage, affecting your daily life and overall well-being. Fortunately, nature has provided us with some powerful allies in the form of plant-based foods that can help alleviate nerve pain. Let's explore these options. Our first superhero on the list is the creamy and delicious avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and vitamin B6, which play a crucial role in nerve function. Incorporating avocados into your diet can provide the nourishment your nerves need to stay healthy. Next up, we have spinach, a leafy green powerhouse. Packed with magnesium, spinach helps relax muscles and nerves, reducing the discomfort associated with nerve pain. Try adding spinach to your salads, smoothies, or sautés for a nutrient boost. Now, let's talk about turmeric, a golden spice known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to reduce nerve pain and inflammation. Consider adding turmeric to your curries, soups, or even warm turmeric milk. Walnuts, with their omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, can be another ally in the fight against nerve pain. These nutrients work together to support nerve health and may contribute to reducing inflammation. Grab a handful of walnuts as a snack or sprinkle them on your breakfast for added benefits. Don't underestimate the power of blueberries. Packed with antioxidants, these tiny berries may help protect your nerves from oxidative stress. Whether fresh or frozen, incorporate blueberries into your diet for a sweet and nutritious way to combat nerve pain. Last but not least, we have broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable loaded with vitamin C and folate. These nutrients are essential for maintaining a healthy nervous system. Steam or stir-fry broccoli to retain its nutritional value and enjoy its nerve-boosting benefits.